Hello little artists, I'm Marina Olson and this is my channel where you're gonna learn how to draw easy and step by step. Today we're doing a dinosaur. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for pencil. We're going to start on the top of the paper doing half a circle. So I'm going from the left side to the right side and I'm trying to go slow and I'm going to stop right here. This is the head. Now let's do the front of his mouth and we're going to do a letter C. So I'm going to go slow doing my letter C and the bottom part is long and I'm going to stop and now I'm going to go up with a curved line. There. The next step is going to be his mouth. So here I'm going to do a line that goes up first and then it goes down. The next is going to be the eye and it's a big circle here in the middle of his face. Just like this. And inside of this circle I'm going to do a half a circle on the left side. Just like this. Now I want to start coloring this on black. You can leave a white space if you want his eye to have a little bit of a shine, but I'm gonna color mine all black. On the top of the eye, I'm gonna put an eyebrow or like a rectangle shape. And here on the front, we're gonna do the nose, and this is just a number 6, a backwards number 6. Now for the teeth, I'm gonna do upside down letter U's. Let's do 3, and they can have different sizes. There. Now let's go on the front and I'm going to do a curved line that goes a little bit to the left. So just look at like this. And on the back, I'm going to do a curved line here underneath the head, 1. And now I'm going to do one more that it goes down, far down over here, okay? So I'm going to start going a little bit to the left and then I'm going to the right, doing a curved line. And I'm going to stop right there. Good. Now let's do a curved line here on the front and it's gonna go down and this is gonna be the chest of the dinosaur. Okay, now I wanna continue here with a big letter C and this letter C is gonna be one of the legs. Now let's do one more here in behind and this second letter C is not gonna touch the first one. You see, I leave a little bit of a space. Now we're going to do one more, but this one is going to be a little bit squished. So I want to put a little line and then I'm going to the left, to the right, and it's long and it goes up. And let's add one more curve. There. Inside, I want to put curved lines for his toes. Just like that. The next one, we're going to repeat these steps. We're going to do another letter C that is a little bit long or squish. And we're going to do also the curved lines inside. The last step is going to be the tail. And we're going to go around. We're going to go to the left and then go back to the right and close it. Good. Now let's go up. We're going to start doing here the hands. So we're going to start with a curve. Now we're gonna go down kind of like a C shape and then to the right and up. For the claws, we're gonna do 3 letter U's that goes together. And now we're gonna do another hand in behind here. I'm just gonna do half a circle and I'm gonna repeat the step for the claws. Good. We're almost done. We're gonna put some details here on the back. I wanna do kind of like a spot that he has on his back. And I'm gonna start doing a wavy line that goes down and it connects back with the body. And the last step here, I'm gonna put some like a plants, like bushes there. So I'm just gonna start doing triangles down here. And let's do one more in behind, okay? I'm just doing triangles that go up and these lines don't touch the first ones. And there, that's it. We finished this dinosaur. I hope this lesson was easy for you. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to see more lessons like this one. See you next time!